Kaitlyn Carmichael.
And I'm Hayden Middlestadt, and we're with the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about the Cabot Freshman Academy.
First, we'd like to introduce you to our awesome leaders.
Principal Anna Davis, Assistant Principal Micah House, Student Success Coordinator Mandy Carmichael, and Assistant Principal John Chiron.
The Freshman Academy is home to about 800 students and dedicated just to 9th graders. CFA's motto is graduation starts here. It's the foundation for everything teachers and staff set out to do each and every day.
Now here's some helpful information as we prepare to kick off the school year.
Schedules will be released online via the Home Access Center or HAC, beginning at 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 11th. Remember, if you owe a fine, your schedule will not be available until your fine has been paid.
If you have forgotten your password to HAC, go to the HAC website and click Forgot Password to reset it.
If you need to make a schedule change, you can call and schedule an appointment with one of our fantastic counselors, Miss Angie Simon and Miss Stephanie Harper, or feel free to send an email to them.
On the day schedules are released, CFA will be open from 8 to 3 for self-guided tours. You can walk around on your own and find your classes prior to open house or the start of school.
Speaking of open house is Thursday, August 18th from 4 to 7 p.m. Feel free to come tour the building, meet your teachers, and check out what CFA is all about.
Here's a look at the school year's meal prices. Great news, breakfast is once again free. Lunch prices are on your screen.
Also, don't forget to check out the supply list on our school website.
One last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on the student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 22nd. Don't forget your backpack, water bottle, and of course your Chromebook.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And remember,
graduation starts here, and the Cabot Freshman Academy is looking forward to another great school year.